Yo, not your average tree man, it's new saw day. I just bought myself a Stihl 201 and not the one that you might expect. This is the back handle ground saw version. Bit old, bit tired, but yeah, we're going to give her a bit of a spruce up, see what we can do. She's absolutely filthy on the inside. So, Lewis has given us some of this Stihl VarioClean stuff. Fancy cleaning fluid. And yeah, we'll see how that works. Let's go. That little hole there, just behind the clutch, that's letting all this sawdust through into the engine. There's all sorts of rubbish around there. This heat plate was loose as well actually, but I've bolted that through the bottom nice and neatly. So yeah, again, back to cleaning. Finally! So, when I'm blasting around the cylinder, I'm just going to put my finger over it because we don't want to blast all this crud up into there because that would not be good. Anyway, carry on. So, blasted off as much as we can. Now it's time for that special sauce. VarioClean, never used this before, but it does look pretty good. However, couldn't find anything on YouTube, so if this goes well, then that might even be why you're seeing this video. Let's give it a go. So, you can use this on the plastic and obviously on the inside. It's particularly good at dissolving resinous baked on stuff on all the hot bits in the middle, apparently. We're gonna test that theory. Stick it on, leave it for 5 minutes, and then try and rub it off. This is so caked on, I think I'm gonna bung it on, let it eat away for a bit, and then do another coat, leave that for a few minutes, and then we'll try wiping it off. Hopefully that'll shift some of this. So then, much cleaner. But we've got that little crack that we need to sort out. That's like a £5 replacement part. And yeah, we can kind of see the Stihl logo coming through on the cylinder there, but meh, still pretty dirty. This muffler also pretty dirty, but what we're going to try and do is open her up a little bit, a bit of a stealth mod in there. We'll get the Dremel out and yeah, see what we can do. Now, can you see in that hole what we're trying to do? Just taking a small circular hole down this side and opening it up all along. Desperately trying to leave this little redirector, whatever they're called, deflector, there we go. Trying to leave that. There we go, nice big hole in there. More air out, put more fuel in, more cut. So we're going to get it put back together and yeah, a couple of bits we need to do at a later date. Replace this bit, as we mentioned earlier. We're probably going to replace that bit as well. Chain brake housing is cracked, but I'm not too bothered about that. This is a £600-700 saw and I got it too, so I'm not complaining at all. We've already put a new pull cord on it, got a nice new bar, 18 inch, so yeah, super little snedder this one, once she's back together. Let's do it. Aha, I forgot to mention, we also have some little West Coast saw felling dogs, given to me by Lou Dog. So yeah, cheers very much for those, mate. And the VarioClean stuff, that seems to have worked a treat. Plus, this is the first Stihl saw that I've had. We've got a Husky 365 and we've got an Echo 2511T. But this one's got lots of white on it, and I dyed my Echo black. So I'm wondering if we should do some crazy colour scheme with this, like green or purple or red, or I don't know. What'd be the weirdest colour, do you think? Not pink. Saving that for Alex. So, now we've ended up with a spare bolt, and absolutely no idea where it came from. Might have to end this there and finish this up once I've watched it back and figured it out. There we go then, ready for action again. So I suppose all this really is a little project video to, yeah, show you what I get up to with this thing. Don't really know what we're going to do now, but give it a test, see how it runs.